Previously we talked about building this Weld cart, like a DIY solution. In this video we're going to do a follow-up to that. I'm going to show you some things that I did after that video and show you some stuff that we're going to do to it in this video to make it that much better. And cool thing is, Paul over at ztfab saw our video and sent me some stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see, I cut a piece of diamond plate and added it to the bottom to better keep the gas bottle stable. And I used one of these Harbor Freight adjustable straps. It's like an adjustable bungee cord to strap the bottles to the cart so that they don't tip over and fall off the cart. You could also use chains, but I just went with these adjustable straps. So Paul from ztfab saw our video and reached out to me, and he liked what I said about his company and his product, and I absolutely loved my ztfab cart that I had before, but with the price of everything right now, you know, some people just can't afford to buy one, and that's unfortunate. But you know, we do what we can, and we make do with what we have. So, and Paul completely understands that. His carts are the absolute pinnacle of Weld carts, and there's no argument there. I mean, quality is second to none. But he also wanted to remind me that he gets that, but he also offers parts for the DIY cart build. So as an example, he sent out a couple of these cord hooks, and you can use those for the power cords. You can use them for the grounds, for the torches, pretty much anything. And he sells these separately. He also sells a bunch of other components separately, which I'll throw up on the screen and kind of show you guys. So if you're looking to do your own cart, and you want to support a small business that is part of the industry, and understands our plight as DIYers, go check him out. Links below to his website, and check him out. But he offers a bunch of parts. He has the cord hangers. If you don't like how I've got the bottles just kind of resting up against the side, that bar, and you want one of those saddles for tanks, he has those. If you want to use some other casters or the fixed wheels, he has those as well. Whole bunch of parts. Go check them out. But what we need to do is we're going to attach these to our DIY cart for our cords, and I'm also going to use another company's part. If you've been following the channel for a while, you've seen these TIG rod storage racks from Steve at Mayhem Metalworks. What I'm trying to do is clean the table up and have as much room as possible for jigs and fixtures and everything, and when I get bikes up there. So I want to move these to the Weld cart. So we're going to use some, they're either called rib nuts or nut certs, depending on where you are, and we're going to use those, pre-drill a couple holes, and attach both the TIG rod holder from Mayhem Metalworks and those cord hoops or hooks or whatever you want to call them from ztfab. So we're going to get that done, and I'll bring you guys back, and we're just going to get it done. So as you can see by the photos, we've got our 2 cord hooks installed from ztfab, and we got our TIG filler wire storage rack installed from Mayhem Metalworks. I also went ahead and added a 3rd hook down here that holds this heavy duty extension cord that I made, and attached it to the box. That way if I have to move the card anywhere, I don't have to find the cord, so it's always attached. I know where it is. And I think that's going to be it for our Weld cart build. As you can see, it's come a long way, and we did some really cool stuff, and I am more than happy with it. I'm kind of tossing around the idea of adding something to store our TIG foot pedal on the box, but rest assured, if I do, it will be from ztfab. He has a little bracket. I can attach it just like we did the hooks and everything else. That'll give me a nice place to store the foot pedal without taking up any drawer space. So I hope that helps some of you guys out. You know, maybe you're thinking about building one of these Weld carts yourself and just need some inspiration or some ideas, and hopefully the video will steer you towards ztfab if you need parts that you don't want to build yourself, or accessories for your Weld cart from Mayhem Metalworks. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Until next time, get up, get out there, and do it.